Hello little bees, welcome back. Tonight, before we close our eyes, I want to remind you of something very important. Something that is always true. You are loved. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Wonderful. Again, breathe in slowly and breathe out gently. Very good. Now imagine a warm blanket wrapped around you. It feels soft, comfortable, safe. Every time you breathe in, the blanket feels a little warmer. Every time you breathe out, your body feels a little more relaxed. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Sometimes we have wonderful days. Sometimes we have tricky days. Sometimes we laugh. Sometimes we cry. Sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we learn something new. No matter what kind of day you had, you are still loved. If you were brave today, you are loved. If you were nervous today, you are loved. If you tried something new, you are loved. If today felt difficult, you are loved. Nothing can change that. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Imagine little glowing hearts floating gently around your room. Each heart shines with warm golden light. One heart whispers, "You are loved." Another heart whispers, "You are enough." Another says, "You are kind." Another says, "You matter." The little glowing hearts float quietly around you, keeping you company as you get ready for sleep, helping your heart feel peaceful, helping your body feel calm, helping your mind become quiet. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Now imagine someone giving you the biggest, warmest hug. A hug filled with kindness. A hug filled with comfort. A hug that says everything is okay. You can rest now. Tomorrow is waiting. But tonight, you can simply be still. You can simply breathe. You can simply rest. Take one last slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Remember these words. You are loved. You are kind. You are brave. You are important. You are exactly who you are meant to be. Sleep peacefully, little bees. Dream beautiful dreams. And remember, you are loved. Good night.